Have you ever thought about what gaming would be like if it could go beyond fixed storylines? Picture a game where characters don't just react, but actually learn, grow, and change based on what you do. That's exactly what Google's Unbounded AI is making possible. This isn't just another game. It's a major step forward in gaming, opening up a world of endless AI-powered experiences. Today, I'll show you what makes this technology so special and why it could change the future of gaming as we know it. Unbounded is an ambitious project developed by Google in collaboration with the University of North Carolina. The goal is simple but revolutionary: push the boundaries of gaming by using advanced generative AI. Unlike conventional video games that follow fixed paths and stories, Unbounded creates unlimited, ever-changing game worlds. The AI adapts to each player in real time, allowing characters to evolve and interact in unique ways. This makes gameplay feel more dynamic and personal, offering a level of unpredictability that traditional games can't match. The partnership between Google and UNC combines expertise in AI and interactive simulations, ensuring that Unbounded stands out as a truly innovative project. The key to its uniqueness is the use of generative models that create new stories and interactions as you play, making every playthrough distinct and engaging. Generative infinite games are a significant step forward in gaming, driven by cutting-edge AI that can create and adapt content on the fly. Traditional games are built with preset mechanics and fixed stories, resulting in gameplay that, while enjoyable, becomes predictable after repeated sessions. Generative games break this mold by using AI algorithms to produce new stories, characters, and game mechanics in real time. This means every time you play, you get a different experience, with new interactions and outcomes shaped by your choices. These experiences aren't limited to minor changes. The entire game world can shift and adapt to provide a unique narrative that reflects your style of play. The standout feature of generative infinite games is their dynamic storytelling. Traditional games often repeat scenes and plots, which can limit replay value. In generative games, the story adapts based on how you interact with the world and its characters. The narrative becomes a living part of the game, constantly changing with your decisions, which keeps the experience immersive and exciting. Imagine a character that remembers your past choices and reacts differently each time you meet them, or a world that shifts based on your actions. This is what generative AI brings to gaming. Game mechanics in generative games also evolve. Instead of sticking to rigid rules, these mechanics can change as you play, introducing fresh challenges and opportunities. For example, if you choose a specific strategy or focus on certain interactions, the game adapts by adding or modifying rules to match your gameplay style. This makes gameplay feel new and engaging each time as the game's responses evolve with you. Players no longer feel limited by preset choices. Instead, they have a sense of freedom that traditional games can't offer. Unbounded gameplay is powered by two main technologies: a specialized large language model, LLM, and the dynamic regional image prompt adapter, IP adapter, large language model, LLM. The LLM in Unbounded is built to create narratives on the go. Unlike traditional game scripts with set dialogues and outcomes, this LLM generates unique stories, character interactions, and events based on what players do. It analyzes your choices and adjusts the storyline seamlessly, making every playthrough one of a kind. This model ensures that players are not only participants, but co-creators of their gaming journey. Whether you decide to ally with a certain character or take an unexpected turn in the story, the LLM adjusts to create new, engaging paths that feel natural and exciting. To illustrate, imagine you decide to form an unexpected alliance with a minor character. The LLM can craft a storyline where this character becomes pivotal, offering quests or insights that change your entire game experience. The game's story could shift from a simple quest to an intricate tale of trust, betrayal, or redemption, all created dynamically in response to your decisions. IP adapter. The IP adapter ensures that the game's visuals stay consistent. One of the challenges with AI-driven games is maintaining coherence in character and scene visuals. The IP adapter solves this by conditioning image generation based on the game's context. It uses dynamic masks from attention layers to blend characters and backgrounds smoothly. This way, characters keep their appearance while adapting to different settings and situations. For instance, if the LLM creates a scene where a storm suddenly rolls in, the IP adapter will adjust character expressions, background visuals, and lighting to align with the new narrative, creating a cohesive and immersive experience. Think about how powerful this is. The game's visuals adapt as quickly as the story does. A sudden plot twist initiated by the LLM can be matched with visual shifts such as darker skies, tense expressions on characters, or even changes in the environment that reflect the new tone. This synchronization keeps players deeply immersed, as both the story and visual elements feel connected and reactive. How these technologies work together. When these two technologies come together, they create a synchronized experience where the story and visuals respond to your actions in real time. For example, if you make a choice that changes the game's direction, the LLM creates a new narrative, while the IP adapter updates the scene to match. This could involve changing the mood, updating character expressions, altering the environment. This synergy ensures gameplay feels fluid, with adaptive storytelling and visuals creating an immersive world. The combination of these technologies means that players not only enjoy a unique story, but also see a world that feels alive and responsive. Imagine a moment when your character is faced with a sudden betrayal by an ally. The LLM generates the dialogue and internal monologue on the spot, making the scene emotionally impactful and unique. At the same time, the IP adapter changes the expressions of the characters, adds storm clouds, and shifts the lighting to a more dramatic tone. This combined response makes the scene feel cinematic and personal, blurring the line between gameplay and storytelling. Unbounded sets itself apart from traditional finite games by using AI for a more flexible and evolving gameplay experience. Traditional games have set stories and paths that don't change, no matter how many times you play. This can make gameplay predictable. While traditional games can still be fun, they lack the surprise and adaptability that advanced AI offers. The static nature of these games means that once players have completed a story or level, they know what to expect on their next playthrough. In contrast, Unbounded uses AI for spontaneous storytelling that changes in real time with your decisions. Instead of following a single storyline, the game creates new events, dialogues, and interactions as you play. If you make a significant choice, the AI adapts the story path, leading to new outcomes and character development. This makes gameplay more engaging and personal, as the game world feels alive and reactive. Each playthrough offers a different adventure, boosting replayability and making the experience more interactive than traditional games. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech and gaming insights, and turn on notifications to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and let's continue to explore the future of gaming together.